Hello, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sea moss, a type of algae that has been making waves in the wellness community. Found clinging to rocky shores along the Atlantic coasts, this slimy, somewhat unappetizing-looking seaweed is packed with a surprising amount of nutrients. For centuries, it has been a staple food in places like Ireland, Jamaica, and parts of Asia, revered for its potential health benefits. Sea moss, also known by its scientific name, Chondrus crispus, is a type of red algae. It grows in cold water environments and has been harvested for its carrageenan content for centuries. Carrageenan is a type of fiber that is used as a thickener, emulsifier, and stabilizer in food products. In recent years, sea moss has gained popularity as a superfood due to its impressive nutritional profile. It is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. From boosting immunity to improving gut health, the potential benefits of sea moss are vast and continue to be explored through scientific research. Join me as we delve into the science behind this marine marvel and uncover what makes it a true gift from the sea. One of the most remarkable aspects of sea moss is its rich nutrient density. It is a good source of iodine, which plays a crucial role in thyroid function. The thyroid gland located in the neck produces hormones that regulate metabolism, growth, and development. Sea moss is also abundant in iron, a mineral that is essential for red blood cell production. Red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body, and an iron deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. Incorporating sea moss into your diet can help ensure adequate iron intake. Furthermore, sea moss contains prebiotics, a type of fiber that nourishes the beneficial bacteria in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is vital for digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. By promoting the growth of good bacteria, sea moss contributes to overall gut health. Studies have also shown that sea moss possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems including heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. The antioxidants present in sea moss may help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. While sea moss offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Like many other seaweeds, sea moss is a natural source of iodine. While iodine is essential for thyroid function, excessive intake can interfere with the gland's normal function. Individuals with thyroid disorders or those taking thyroid medications should consult with their healthcare provider before adding sea moss to their diet. It's crucial to monitor iodine intake from all sources, including sea moss, to avoid exceeding the recommended daily allowance. Additionally, some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating or diarrhea, when consuming large amounts of sea moss. This is due to its high fiber content. It's best to start with small servings and gradually increase the amount as tolerated. As with any dietary supplement, it's advisable to purchase sea moss from reputable sources. Look for organic, sustainably harvested sea moss that is free from contaminants such as heavy metals. Section 4. Conclusion. Embracing sea moss wisely. In conclusion, sea moss is a nutritional powerhouse that offers a wide range of potential health benefits. From boosting thyroid function and supporting gut health, to providing essential vitamins and minerals, this marine algae has earned its place as a superfood. However, it's crucial to consume sea moss in moderation and be mindful of potential side effects, particularly for individuals with thyroid conditions or iodine sensitivities. As with any dietary change, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it aligns with your individual health needs. By embracing sea moss responsibly and incorporating it into a balanced diet, we can harness its nutritional power and potentially enhance our overall well-being. Remember, knowledge is key when it comes to making informed decisions about our health. Section 5. Call to action. Dive deeper into the world of sea moss. This exploration of sea moss has only scratched the surface of its potential. I encourage you to delve deeper into the world of this remarkable algae and discover how its benefits can enhance your wellness journey. Numerous resources are available online and in libraries that provide in-depth information on sea moss, including its history, nutritional profile, and potential applications. Explore scientific studies, read articles from reputable health organizations, and consult with qualified healthcare professionals to gain a comprehensive understanding of this marine marvel. Share this newfound knowledge with your friends, family, and colleagues. Together, let's spread awareness about the incredible power of sea moss and empower others to make informed decisions about their health. Remember, the journey to optimal well-being is an ongoing exploration, and incorporating nutrient-rich foods like sea moss can be a significant step in the right direction.